Okay, we will try this one more time. Okay, so today's journal is pretty simple. Took some losing trades in London. Wrong count. Yes, so on our fund account, we took some losing trades in London. One break even right here, and then pretty much tried to play the extreme and lost the account. It was pretty simple, nothing to do about that. In New York, I started a new evaluation, and I'll just go over the trades, the break even, and the NASDAQ trades. So the break even was pretty simple, I think. Pretty similar to my London trade that also broke even on my funded account. Let's see. Yep. So yep, so it was pretty simple. I was actually just playing this flip zone, and this was also kind of a flip zone, but it wasn't super clean. So it ran the liquidity, just put a market order in there, and my stop loss was basically a pip and a half. And yeah, I just moved to break even right after this, and it stopped me out. Let's see. Oh, I tried. Yeah, so I was actually planning on playing the liquidity grab here. Into this POI, which was a flip zone, 1 minute flip zone. That failed as well. We stopped playing that and moved on to NASDAQ. Which is pretty simple. This is a 15-minute supply. It taps an order block that lines up with the 15-minute supply. Probably there's a flip zone here on the 30-second, and it gave a nice reaction. Let's see how much the R did that go for. So risking 10 points. I went 5-6R and then hit this demand zone. During open, we came up to the extreme. I took a short from the extreme and covered it under the lows for a little bit over 12-13R. And yeah, that's how I passed this this new evaluation. So hopefully we can do better the next time and stop trading as much. Figure out how to do that hopefully in the next week or so. Cheers.